through?
The red block went through the tunnel.
Now it's on the roof.
There are 2 chimneys. You pick up the chimneys.
Oh, can that one go through? It can. It's not round, it's a rectangle. Yeah, it's a big tower. Whoops! Timber! We'll put it back on. Okay. That's ready. Push it through.
You put a block on the roof.
No.
Oh, look at
Stand.
Blakey. No hands.
No hands. It's up on the roof.
The roof.
The roof. The
Roof.
The roof of the fire station.
Did Granddad go on the roof? What did Granddad do on the roof? Cut down trees. That's right.
And Blake,
Well, Blake and Mommy were raking leaves. Very good, Blake.
did something happen to your knee? You got an owie on your knee.
But now it's all better. Garbage.
The garbage truck.
Blake, what are you and Daddy making? A house and a tunnel and a chimney?
Yes. Yes and yes.
I love you, snuggle husband.
I love you too.